Hello, I have a new mic. I hope I sound right. And let's talk a little bit. This is a strip down challenge. If you don't know what it is, it was made by, I think, a model that started to think that in social media she's becoming more an fake person. She's not herself anymore. And so she issued to be talking without anything, just straight out, be yourself. Don't be anything different. So, for at least 10 minutes. Many people did it. I'm going to try it. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I live in Germany. I do English videos because I have more people to reach with English. I also would really love to do kind of German stuff, but I live here and I don't think I can hit the audience in Germany like I could do internationally, because German taste is weird and I'm not a standard German, so yeah. I could talk a little bit about YouTube, about how I had that YouTube channel a long time ago because I thought it is easier to like and favorite videos within channel than have an 200 long folder with links for your favorite YouTube videos. Sorry. There was a plate with the plate where I ate food from on the table. I put it away. So, I started YouTube a long time ago just to watch videos and stuff. I think over a year ago, I started longer than a year ago. I originally started to do AMVs, animated video music kind of thing, with anime and music, and then I've got hit by the truth of copyright. Yeah, you can't do stuff like that, even if you bought DVDs and the CDs and stuff and support everything and have all the links to. Yeah, shit is. After a while I stopped doing videos. I just thought everything is going to be taken down. And then after a while, I randomly got on YouTube and saw, someone is playing Pokemon on YouTube? I play Pokemon since Generation 1. Why don't watch it? And this was quite entertaining. I think, to be quite honest, my very first I hate to say that, PokeTuber. They're all YouTubers and do stuff. They do Pokemon stuff. Great. They can do also other stuff. But we come to that point. Well, the very first, in quotation, PokeTuber that I watched was Maryland. I thought he was really a nice guy and really happy. He sounded happy. Happy things that I needed. Then I started to search for more. I saw Shofu, and I didn't like it so much. He comes over to I can see he really likes Pokemon and he really enjoys doing his stuff, but just his style doesn't ring with my taste. I don't say he's bad or stuff. No, he does great job, and I even subscribe to him even if I don't like so much his content. But still, you can't just say because you don't like anything that it is shit. I don't do that. I never would do that. You can't do that. Yeah. What else is there to talk about? Oh yeah. After a while, I found more and more and more, and then I found Shady Penguin, and I was so he was kind of like the nice good guy. Excuse me. He was kind of the nice good guy that you wanted to meet. He was the really chill dude. And he was really entertaining. He does good stuff. He is on really good level. He can do much more than that, but still, that's maybe a topic for something else. And after him watching, I finally thought doing Pokemon recording is a little bit easier than doing gameplay recording of consoles, because you need an Elgato and stuff, and you need to invest stuff so much, and to record on a PC, the PC game, you need an high-end PC, and back then I had only a standard one that could barely run Desumi, the emulator for Nintendo DS stuff. And yeah, I then recorded with the Virtual Boy, and it's on my channel, and I edited the video with the movie maker. Yeah, not great. I know, but you can see how I slowly evolved. With every LP I got better and better. There is nothing that could stop me to get better. One thing I want to make clear: I don't do YouTube to get famous, to get rich or stuff. If I could, I would show you, but all my because I can't show you, because this is a recording of myself and this is the challenge, but all my videos are not monetized. I don't make anything out of them. I don't want to. I invest money into this channel without expecting anything out of it. I don't even expect to ever reach 100 subscribers. I'm doing YouTube because I need something to focus, to something take my mind off. I just don't want to think about me, myself, my life, what I did in the past, what I'm going to do in the future. What is my life? I really don't want to think about that. I just want to go on, work. Don't stop. Yeah, that's the reason why I do so much for my YouTube channel. Why I do so much for everything I do in general. I just do it because I need to. Because you want an honest self, so here it is. It can get now a little bit darker, but yeah. I'm doing YouTube because that's currently the only thing that I think that is worth myself. Without YouTube, there's no reason. No family, no friends immediately here in Germany, no girlfriend, nothing. The only thing I do day out, day in, go to work, come home, do chores, clean. I just do life. But what is life without anything happiness? And you can't just say, oh, just play games, they're happiness. It's shallow. Even what I'm doing with YouTube, it is kinda shallow, but it shows to have a reason. Because without YouTube, there's nothing that would matter if I would be there or not. YouTube is there to put up every time a video I can, to show that I'm still here. I'm still here. Can you see me? Can you hear me? I'm still here. I'm not gone. So YouTube kinda fixes the point where I start to see a reason in my life to go on, and still nothing really changed in my life. What is there to talk about? I made great friends over the internet. That's good. That's good. I can talk with them over the internet. That's a thing I never would imagine as a child, that I have friends all around the world, like in New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, America. I would never have imagined to have friends all around the world. But the problem is, they're all around the world. No one is here. That's also... I need to daily work around the thought that if I was gone, no one will notice immediately, no one will know. No one will know. And I know that probably my friends on TeamSpeak are going to watch this. And that's the reason why I'm on TeamSpeak every time I can. To be there, not to be gone. I've gone through shit that I don't feel comfortable talking about. But people could say, and I hate that saying. Yeah, like multiple things that I don't like, I know how you feel. You don't. You are not me. You can't know how I feel. I am what I am. You're not what I am. And the other saying is, there are people that got it worse than you. Man! I don't want to hear that! Man! What the hell? In that moment I think, oh my god, people have it worse than me, what the hell? I also kinda known around my friends, and I try to do it as best that I can. That I want to be helpful. I just want to help. I just want to see happiness. I don't like to see people sad, because I get sad, and sad and bad thoughts. Every time these dark thoughts that there is no reason for you to be there. I can only say, if you have something like that, make yourself a reason, like I did with YouTube. Make yourself a reason. Try to take off your mind. Try to work on something. Try to build the reason why you need to be there. So, you want to know the true me? There it is. A sad man that only wants a reason to live. I am kinda fake, but everyone is fake, even in the true life. Let me talk about a little bit that more in an example. How I mean it that everyone is fake. A best example. You meet a girl or a boy, whatever your taste is. I don't judge. You meet a boy or girl that you really like, you want to have it as your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever. And have it as boy or girlfriend. You want to impress them. So you don't show yourself, no. You show your best possible self. Excuse me. You show your best possible self. But you're not every time your best possible self, are you? That's the reason why I think that people are fake all the time. They just try to be the person that they need to be. We all wear masks to protect ourselves, to get better ourselves. I mean, yes, we are all fake. The true self you don't know about a person, because only the person themselves know them. And quite to be honest, I don't want to know me, because I'm just sad. But but one thing I don't want. I don't want any pity. I hate it. Yeah. So, everyone is wearing masks. Everyone is fake. But how much fake a person is different. Like the example of impressing a girl. Or a boy. Whatever. If you want to impress them, you show your best possible self, or even sometimes agree with something you normally wouldn't do. And if you normally wouldn't do, it is already fake. It's a lie. You don't think it's a lie? It is my opinion. And in my opinion, everyone is fake. I mean, I am fake. I give it. I'm fake. I mean, every time I started my kinda intro, I sound like a happy-go-lucky guy. Hello, guys and girls. But this is just an act Yeah, act is a good thing. Yeah, act, yeah. But that's the reason. I want to act only because I want to show. I need something in my hand to play with. Normally I have a game in it. Ugh. So normally I just want. I want to. I want people to feel good and happy about my videos, so I don't show my sad and bitter side. I show them that's what I want out of them. I want people to be happy and laughing. You can even make fun of me. I had it all my life, fun of me. I don't mind, as long as I make you happy. It's good. You can say I'm fat and I'm annoying or that I have weird vibes. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind. What else is there to talk about? I think I made my YouTube point clear. And as a person, there's not much to say about me, except that hello. Yeah. And probably the people that know me will talk to me, yeah, but we are there and we talk to you, but yeah, you can talk to me much as you want, but it's only so much social interaction you can do via the internet. There's only so much stuff you can do. And I maybe want to do more. I think that is the most that I'm comfortable with going for. This is a strip down challenge from DemonOJM. Bye.